Morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 22. Still no news from my son and my daughter-in-law. Their baby was due 2 days ago and still no sign. So I hope it don't come on Christmas Day. That will be, well, that'll be exciting, won't it? Okay, so what have I been up to? Well, I did finish. I'm feeling better now, and I did finish the blanket. So as you can see, oh, I've just had a parcel delivered. I'll go and get that in a minute. Yeah, as you can see, I did finish the task. It was only 3 rows, so that was nice and easy because I wasn't well yesterday. Feeling a lot better today. So now I think what we're going to be doing, we're going to get a new colour and we're going to mix in this colour with the new colour. So like we did there. So we're going to do that this side. So yeah, and then we'll only have that bit to do. But then it is, what, I think there are 25 days. So presumably, even on Christmas Day, I'll be crocheting. So to finish the blanket. So yes, but let's turn you around and open the drawer and see what the colour is that we're going to use. Right, so drawer 22, that's here. All right, it's sort of a silvery blue colour. What does it say? It says Sugar Mouse. So that's going to be incorporated with that grey to do that sort of mosaic-y effect. And what have we got? Oh, and we got a stitch marker. I do love a stitch marker. So that's cute, isn't it? It's a bauble. So I'll have to put that on my stitch marker holder. So yes, so that's what it's going to be. I did, I'll put a picture up. I did manage to do the snow globes, and if you look at the picture, I'll get one and show you. But I edged them round there, and I put Merry Christmas in the top. So yes, I'm really pleased with those. They turned out all right in the end. So yeah, but I'll put a picture of the 6 of them sitting there. I need to wrap some presents. I'm so behind, but I want to get this crocheting done. So I'll be back about 6 o'clock, and hopefully I might have done some more to my candle mat because I haven't done anything to that. So yeah, it's sort of piling up. Everything's piling up. But you can only do what you can do, isn't it? So, but at least I'm feeling better now. So I'll catch you later. Right, I'm back. It's just gone 7 and I've finished the task on the Crochet Society blanket today. As you can see, the colours are very similar. I mean, I had a job to see the difference. They're two one's a bluey grey and one's a silver grey. And I don't know if you can, how well you can see, but there is sort of like a Christmas tree effect there. It's the same as this design here, but of course you can see it better because it's a darker green and a light green, so it shows up, whereas it's not so obvious here. But yes, so that's done, and then the next bit will be this pinky bit. Whatever colour they give us tomorrow will be this bit here. So yes, so we shall see what's in the box tomorrow. But it's coming on, as you can see. It's that wide and it's long. So a nice blanket for your knees. Colourful blanket for your knees. So yes, I'm looking forward to having that on my knees over Christmas, making the most of it. The other thing is I finished this little thing I was doing for my son and daughter-in-law because they're expecting the baby. Well, they were expecting the baby 2 days ago and it still hasn't come. So they're getting worried now. They're thinking it's going to come on Christmas Day and they'll have to cancel their Christmas for their other little ones and redo it at a later date. But yeah, so I'm going to make it into a little heart cushion, but I'm thinking of holding off at the moment because I'm thinking of when the baby comes and we get a name, I'm thinking of embroidering the name there, and the date of birth there, or the name and the weight. So I shall see when the baby arrives what I'm going to do with that, because I've given them that hamper, so it's not like I've got to... Am I showing that to you back to front? Oh, that would help if I showed it the right way, wouldn't it? So yeah, so they've had the hamper, so it doesn't matter if they wait for this for when the baby's actually arrived. So yes, I got that done, and this afternoon I've been having another go at my candle mat, which I desperately want to finish for Christmas. I want to get it on that coffee table for Christmas. As you can see, it's coming on. So I've got, what have I got here? I've got a little kid and Santa's truck, the back of Santa's sleigh, and a little kid there to finish. And then that will be all the red work done, and then it will be a matter of putting the back on and edging it. So but I'm really hoping I can finish that embroidery tonight, the red work tonight. We shall see, but at the moment I've got to edit this video and then get it up, and it's nearly 7:30 already. I found this pattern. It was a free pattern. It come up on Instagram for a dog jumper, and it's a crochet one. And I thought, being as I've got 2 dogs and my daughter and daughters have got dogs, I thought I might have a go at that with some leftovers. I think it's just normal double knit, so should be quite nice and easy. And you just, the length of the body, well, you just keep on going to whatever length you want. So I might have a go with that, but not until the new year. So, okay, well, I'm going to go now, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next instalment. Bye for now.